Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back for another Don's Lawns Quick Tip. Today's quick tip is going to be talking about summer fertilizers. So during the summer months, I have two favorite products that I like to use. The first one is in a granular form, and that is the n-ext Green DIY. It is an 8% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus, 8% potassium product, has carbon, has chicken litter, and it has root hair promoting peptides. It also has 4% iron. I love this product because it is a slow release, which gives you sustained growth over the summer months. You don't have to worry about having peaks of high growth and then valleys of slow growth. So this continues to have the same steady growth pattern throughout summer. You're not having surges of growth. My newest favorite liquid fertilizer for the summer is the 700 Greene Effect. I love it because it's got high amounts of iron with the 6% iron in there, so you don't have to really put down as much nitrogen because that iron is going to give the grass green color anyway. So you're not pushing a whole lot of growth, but you're still getting that tons and tons of green. So that's why I really like that product. So they both work great, and they both work great together. Links in the description. Check out my share a sale link to the Yard Mastery website. That concludes today's Don's Lawns Quick Tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.